I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on calculus. We are discussing derivatives of logarithms and exponential functions. We have taken up questions from previous test paper. Let me thank my student Shruti for sharing with me the test paper so that I can share it with all of you. Here is question number 4 from this test. You can actually pause the video, copy this particular question, and then look into my suggestions. So let us see how to solve this kind of a question. The question here is determine the points where the tangent to the curve f of x equals to half of e to the power of 2x minus 3 times e to the power of x plus 4x is parallel to the line y equals to 2x minus ln 5. You can always pause the video and answer my question and then check with my solution. We are looking forward for a slope which will be same as slope of the given line since we are interested in parallel lines. So let's find the slope here. So the line is y equals to 2x minus ln 5. So that means slope m is 2, right? So we want slope of 2. We are given another function which is f of x equals to half e to the power of 2x minus 3 e to the power of x plus 4x. Derivative of this particular function we need to figure out, which is going to be equal to, so when you do this 2x, it becomes half times 2 e to the power of 2x minus, this is 3 e to the power of x plus 4. Now this derivative should have the same slope, that means 2, this all should be equal to 2. So we'll equate that, so we have 2 equals 2, that cancels, so we have e to the power of 2x minus 3 e to the power of x plus 4, right? Now we can bring all these terms to one side, so we get 0 equals to e to the power of 2x minus 3 e to the power of x, and we get 4 minus 2 as plus 2. Correct. So I combine the last two. So we have a quadratic equation to work with. Right. So product of 2 sum of minus 3. So that means we could write this as minus 2 and minus 1. Right. So we could write this as 0 equals to e to the power of x minus 1 times minus 2, e to the power of x minus 2, correct? So that will give you product of plus 2 and sum of minus 3. To solve this equation, we get two equations. One is e to the power of x minus 1 equals to 0. The other one is e to the power of x minus 2 equals to 0, right? So the solution will be e to the power of x equals to 1, and that gives you x as equals to 0. Now here e to the power of x is equals to 2. Now to get this solution, we'll take ln on both the sides, right? So we can say ln e to the power of x is ln 2, right? Or we can say x is equals to ln 2. Clear? So we have these two values of x. Now we need to find the points. Therefore, we'll move further and find the y value for the given x values, correct? Okay. So the expression here is f of x equals to all this. So in this expression, if I substitute 0, what do I get? So f of 0 equals to, substituting 0 here, we get half e to the power of 0, correct? Minus 3 e to the power of 0 plus 4 times 0, correct? So we get half minus 3, which is equal to minus 5 over 2, right? So that is 6 minus 5 over 2. So the other point here will be at f of ln 2. So we get half e to the power of 2 ln 2, right? So we'll write 2 ln 2 minus 3 e to the power of ln 2 plus 4 ln 2. Right. So that gives you, So e to the power ln 2 is just 4, right? So we could write this as half 2 square, which is 4, minus, that is 2. So we get 3 times 2 plus 4 ln 2, or you can write this as ln 8 also, right? But let's keep it as 4 ln 2. So combine these terms. So that is 2 and that is 6. So what we get here is minus 4 plus 4 ln 2. Correct? So that gives you 2 points, and let's write down the answer now here. So we have our answer. The points are, when x is equal to 0, in that case the y value is minus 5 by 2. And when x value is ln 2, then the y value is minus 4 plus 4 ln 2. Is that clear to you? So that is how we are going to solve this question. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Feel free to write a comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.